how to remove a virus on your Windows computer if you don't have an antivirus installed. So we can actually do this using a tool that's already built into our Windows computer. So if you go and open up your start menu, you can then search for the word run and click on this run icon. In this search box, go and search for MRT and then press OK. Now you may get a Windows security message pop up, just press yes, and that's going to load up this malicious software removal tool. So you can just press next. And there's 3 different options for the scan. We can do a quick scan, a full scan, or a customized scan. Now what I would recommend doing is starting with a quick scan, and if you can't find anything in the quick scan, you can always do a full scan as well. Just bear in mind that a full scan can take a couple of hours, so that's why it's always a good idea starting with the quick scan. So we're just going to press next, and then you can just go and wait for this while it scans the files on your computer. Now there's also a second tool that we can use to check for viruses as well. So if you open up your start menu, go and search for Windows Security and click on this. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, and underneath Current Threats, click on Scan Options. Now once again, just go and select your scan type. I'm going to start with a quick scan, and then we can press this Scan Now button. Now once you finish your scan, that will automatically remove any viruses detected on your computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.